So as you can see, you have two compartments. This is where you put the cigarettes. Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. If you think you can guess what's inside this package, drop your comment below. Without further ado, let's go. As always, I have my trusty knife. Alright, so you can read what's written there. So it's a cigarette case. I think I have unboxed one of these before, but this one seems a little bit cooler, so I ordered it. All right, so you shouldn't smoke. I don't smoke either, and if you smoke, you should quit smoking. It's not healthy for you. All right, now that's that's out of the way. I ordered this because I think they're cool. If you happen to smoke and you think it's cool or whatever, maybe this is something for you. I'm trying to figure out how it works, but let's start with a quick look at it. So this is where you have the charger, and it takes a USB-C. And I'm new to this thing too, so I don't know. And this, all right, as you can see, this part lights up. So I suppose when you take the cigarettes out, this is where you're gonna light it, your cigarettes, so you don't need to be walking around with a lighter. And what else? And then you have this part here. If you press it, what happened? Okay, so this one, you press and push. Alright, so you press and push, and this is where you're gonna fit your cigarettes, put your cigarettes. You have two compartments, one there, one there. So these are the two compartments where you put the cigarettes, and I guess when it's filled up with cigarettes, you have this applying pressure on the cigarettes once it's closed, and then because there's pressure, when you do like this, I think this one goes up comes up with, oh yeah, you have two for the different compartments. So if you do like this, it opens up, the cigarettes will come out of this one, and if you push the other one, the cigarette will come out of that one. And if you push both at the same time, you get two cigarettes coming out. And then of course that's how you're gonna light the cigarettes. It's pretty much the same with this one. This is for lighting the cigarettes. So there is a battery somewhere, probably here, because this is connected. So, and this is where you charge. So the battery is probably housing here in this little system. Yeah, there's no more to it than that. And of course you get the chargers in this tube, USB charger, and the cords of the charger are pretty thin, so I guess you won't be able to charge this thing with your normal phone charger, because the cable of your phone charger is way thicker than this one. I think it's probably 3-4 times thicker than this one. So which means this thing doesn't accept that much current. And you have one extra of these. So I guess these kind of break at a certain point. Once you've used them for some time, you're gonna have to change them because they're gonna break. I mean, I'm guessing that's why they provided an extra one. I don't know, but nevertheless, I think these are pretty cool. Like if you smoke, you buy a packet of cigarettes, you just house everything in here, and then you can throw this in your jacket. You don't need a lighter. Every time you want to smoke, you pop one cigarette out, you have the lighter right there to light it on. Yeah, pretty cool, I think. Not cool to smoke, but these are pretty cool, I think. These are, and I didn't mention that they're not made of plastic, they're made of metal. I don't know if that's more durable. Some sort of metal. It's definitely not plastic. Alright. What do you think? Leave your comment down below. And if you watched the video to the end, thank you very much for sticking with me to the very end. Smash that like button if you like the video, and drop a comment below for more to support me more. That motivates me to make more videos like this. And if you're too lazy to write a comment, you can just leave a thumbs up. That's also good enough. And if this is your first time here, I have a bunch of videos on my channel. Go watch them. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and remember to activate the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.